how to germinate seeds. We're gonna have green beans, paper towel, and some water. You're gonna open up your seeds, and you're gonna put probably about 5 into a paper towel. Fold the paper towel up, and then you're gonna put it inside the water until it all gets really wet. Squeeze out some of the water, still leaving it damp. Not too wet, not too dry. I choose to put it in a mug. And then I have a little brown cover that goes on top of that. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the cabinet until about a week. Hi members. So we're gonna check our paper towel that had our germinated green bean seed in it. Unwrap it. We see it has a root right here. This is actually what will come out of the dirt. We're actually going to take some paper towels and wet them. Put them into a glass jar just because I like to see what's growing. And I'm just going to place it on the side here. Push the paper towel right up to it. Fill it in with some more paper towel. And you'll actually begin to see it grow. This is our weekly check-in. So we'll see you in about a week.